Want to know how to make Shortwave AI assistant summarize your mail? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Shortwave application or the website, and you should be under this interface right here. Now, what you can do is you can just simply open up your AI assistant. So it should look something like this. On the left side, you should be seeing this star icon. You can just simply like that. And now you can just simply type in your AI assistant. So what you need to do is you need to just simply type in the simple prompt on summarize this mail. So first the symbol select enter, and now what it should do is it should summarize your email just like this right here. Now you can also select any other emails just like this and then ask them to summarize it, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So you can also copy the link and then paste it as well, and then add them or tell them to summarize it, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.